Lock-in loop error on Robinhood Fix. If you keep getting stuck in a lock-in loop on Robinhood where you enter your credentials, it loads for a moment and then throws you back to the login screen. You're not imagining things. This is a known issue that frustrates thousands of users, and most people try the wrong fix. But here's why it happens and how to solve it for good. The lock-in loop usually occurs when Robinhood's security system detects outdated app data or mismatched credentials stored in your browser or mobile device. Basically, it's a cookie and cache problem, not a password problem. Here's the fix. First, if you're on the mobile app, force close it completely. Then go to your device settings, open apps, find Robinhood, and clear both cache and storage. This removes old login tokens that may be causing the loop. After that, reopen the app and log in fresh. If you're using the web version, open Robinhood in an incognito or private browsing window. Log in manually without using saved passwords. If that works, you know the issue is with your browser cookies, so go ahead and clear them. Then sign in normally again. Here's another trick that often solves it: disable any or blocker extensions before logging in. Robinhood security can mistake these for suspicious behavior and refuse to establish a full session, looping you back to the login screen. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure your phone's time and date are set automatically. A small time mismatch can break the verification process and trigger the loop. Once you've logged in successfully, enable biometric login or save credentials securely through the app, not your browser, to prevent it from happening again. So, the fix is simple: clear your cache, disable blockers or feigns, and log in using a clean session. Follow those steps, and the Robinhood lock-in loop error will be gone for good.